back to the video, y'all. Like the ceiling fan right there, just going round and round and round and round. Not big of a deal. I'm gonna get the other balloons, you can see. Here. Here's the first one. But I'm gonna be putting both of them. Both. In there. Oh, one balloon showed it in there. Yeah. So yeah, there's a balloon. These strings are small, so they won't oogie boogie themselves. Let's see who wins. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Let's come back for number 2. Ooh. Will it come for number 3? Will it go for number 3? Yes, it will. 100,000 combos. Oh, God. Boom. Oh, it's going to maybe help the balloon itself. Oh, never mind. It's not. Oh, yes, it did. Oh, geese. Jeez. Geese? Oh. 2 balloons are going in a match. Down, 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 down. Down, number now, 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 number now, now, now. Now. Now, number now, 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 now. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Who will go without a balloon?